Okay?
Eh, yun yung mga diskaya, talagang ginagawa, no?
Lahat sila na. Wala tayong pinipili. Walang pinili ko. Ayun, nagbanggit na ako, yung base of Rando. Lahat yan na padala. In fact, up to Marawi, Lanao del Sur, 8 notices, Marawi City, 4 notices. Ibig sabihin, may mga company nandoon na supposedly gumagawa projects dito sa...
Ano po ang response nila?
Some of them pay. Ngayon, marami nakapila ngayon. No. We don't look at them who they are. Basta meron ka SOA, mabayad ka, natupad mo na yung obligasyon mo sa Maynila.
Nakakapag ba sila?
Hopefully, they will.
So, ako first time, wala pa.
Malalaman natin soon. Yeah? Kasi, as we speak right now, there are people lining up. I just wanted to update the people on what is the next course of action. Ito ba yung tamang action na ginagawa ng Maynila? Question is, di ba? Am I going to keep on telling, o ikaw may kasalanan ka, o ikaw may kasalanan ka, o ikaw may kasalanan ka. Wala namang nangyayari doon, puro turo-turo na lang. Kaya nga ako natutuwa sa Senate, ginagawa nila yung trabaho nila, and I think they're gonna do and make actions after everything said and done. Paghupa ng tubig niyan, lilinaw na yan. I think the Senate will do their part. Now, as a city, we are doing our part. Na yung tamang pamamaraan. Kung may legal obligation sila, dapat nila tutukin. Kung sila ba may criminal offense? Whether politiko, ahensya ng gobyerno o kontraktor. Pag kami may ebidensya, good luck sa kanila. Hindi nyo kami makikitang nagli-leak service. You just go on with the filing channels. Kaya lang, it is also unfair because it is also unfair just to accuse somebody without basis of evidence. Masakit din yun. Masakit din makapanira ng buhay na may buhay. Yeah? Tayo, basta tayo may ebidensya, sagutin nyo sa korte at hayaan po ang husgado ang magsabi kung sino ang may sala o wala. But once we go, we make sure may hawak kami, medyo matibay-tibay naman na ebidensya. Hindi na siya yung kasi nakakaawa na eh. Saka nalilito lang ang tao. Ako, I'm pretty sure, baka yung mga tao ngayon tatanong, o ano na? Saan na? Saan ba tayo pupunta? And even the president, nakita mo sabi ng presidente, kasuwa na. Ano sabi ni Secretary Bings kanina? Tinanggal na. Di ba nakita niyo si Secretary Bings? Took action. Fired. Yun yung sinasabi natin. Tingin ko, yun ang inaasahan ng tao sa atin. Ano yung mga action yung ginagawa? Abusado ba sila? Hindi. Pinatupad lang nila yun. At sila na may kapangyarihan gawin yun within their duties and functions. Which, that's why, for now, we're very happy of what Secretary Vince is doing under the directive of the President. Because I think whatever they're doing right now is the right path. Whatever the Senate is doing with regard to fact-finding is the right path. What we are doing is to go after what is due to the city is the right path.